The Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway project is making strides to completion, as the hot running test of the catenary system of its trial section was successfully completed last week. This was the first time that the electric multiple units which arrived in Indonesia on September 1st appeared on the Jakarta-Bandung HSR track.
我们的工作就是第一个就是在雅加达港接货，清关完之后，通过公路运输的方式把全部动车组运到万隆德康诺尔动车段。第二个是到了动车段之后，把一节一节的车厢卸到轨道上，然后再把这个车厢跟车厢连起来，成为一列编组。第三个是编组完了之后，把车推到检修库里面，调试完之后，这个车就已经具备一个上线的一个状态。整个项目从工程到车辆、信号全部都用的是中国标准。
All functions of the traction power supply system were thoroughly tested during the test. The high-speed railway, which links China's Belt and Road Initiative and Indonesia's Global Maritime Fulcrum Strategy, is expected to start operation in June 2023. With a design speed of 350 km per hour, the railway built with Chinese technology will cut the journey between Jakarta and Bandung, capital of West Java province, from more than 3 hours to around 40 minutes.